Let me tell you a story. जब मैं छोटा था, I used to read those typical success books about business freedom, sales hacks, positive mindset, and how the corporate world is evil. And when reading those, I always used to think, if doing business is so liberating, then why my father is still doing a job? Okay, fine, he had some responsibilities, और तब इतना exposure भी नहीं था. But what about everyone else? The ambitious people who had the same information I did. Why were they still chasing jobs? Especially एक ऐसी दुनिया में जहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं people living life on their own terms. Digital businesses, creators, entrepreneurs. At 15, this question bothered me, but at 20, as someone who wants to build something of his own, I think I finally get it. And it's not what you think about. Building something of your own requires a lot of effort. और तुम सोच रहे होगे कि that's why most people don't choose this path. Well, the effort part is true, but not the second. The main reason is uncertainty. To do something of your own, a business, a personal brand or anything is extremely uncertain. It's the absence of a guaranteed outcome. क्योंकि तुम्हें पता नहीं कि ये काम करेगा या नहीं. You could spend months on a project that no one cares about. You might have noticed the last time you had an idea, you probably scrapped it or left it midway. And that was just because you are not sure. This is nothing but uncertainty. But jobs, on the other hand, are safe, right? At least that's what our parents told us, right? हमारे पेरेंट्स एक ऐसी दुनिया में बड़े हुए जहाँ पर एक डिग्री लो, फिर जॉब करो for 30 years and then retire with a pension. But that world does not exist anymore. This belief of mine keeps getting stronger. You can see, पहले जिन कामों में बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत लगती थी, slowly but surely those things are getting automated. AI is already replacing things we thought were the last things to get replaced. So yeah, even your so-called secure job is not really safe. And now you must be thinking कि अगर दोनों ही choices risky है, तो why does it even matter? Well, that's a good question. माना कि दोनों risky है, but the return on investment (ROI) is not the same. The actual difference is who owns the returns. When you fail at a job, the company keeps the asset. आपने सालों बिताए to build systems which don't belong to you. But when you fail at something of your own, you become the asset. You have learned how to sell. You have understood market requirements. और इन सब के ऊपर, you know how to build something out of nothing. For example, if you fail at a job which got automated, you are left with nothing but a gap in your CV. And because the whole job was based on a single skill, it becomes more difficult. But that's not the case in business. Building something of your own is not a single skill job. You have to keep knowledge from different domains, sales, marketing, design, etc. For that reason, even if you fail, you have got a lot of experience and knowledge from different fields. But to be honest, ये बातें कभी खत्म नहीं होगी. AI, jobs, business and all. The point was never to go down this rabbit hole. That's not the reason you're here. You have this intense desire to build something. कितना भी तुम risk versus safety analysis कर लो, it's not going to solve that. मैं ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ to remove you out of the delusion of safety. It doesn't exist. So if you really want to build something, start building. Genuinely talking, you don't need to quit anything. You can just start it side by side, जैसे मैं कर रहा हूँ. I like to write, so I write Net Positive, my Substack newsletter. You can subscribe there. I like to create videos, so I create videos. All this while doing college. यही same चीज़ तुम भी कर सकते हो. You don't need to quit your job and go full time because a job can be your main income source and that's completely fine. What I'm trying to say is, if you are abandoning your genuine curiosity just because of safety, then it is nothing but your slow death. Now that you have popped your bubble, let's talk about some action. Whatever goal you have right now, just figure out that one thing which you can do every day to boost your progress. और ये तुम्हें कुछ 12-12 घंटे नहीं करना है. You are just starting. Remember the rule. Just 1 hour. तुम्हें सिर्फ 1 घंटे के लिए उस चीज़ पर काम करना है. Don't do any random things. First figure out what kind of action will lead you to your ultimate goal. Then double down. Don't overcomplicate. Simple रखो और काम चालू करो. तुम्हें पता है, beyond this argument of safety and risk, what really thrills me is the idea of what kind of life would I build if I went all in. It's truly exciting. और अगर ये वीडियो तुमने यहाँ तक देखा है, you also have that intense desire to build something. मैं खुद यहाँ पर हूँ, a 20-year-old college-going student, building something without knowing whether it will work or not. But yeah, at least it's mine. And honestly, that's enough to keep going. See you in the next one.